snap like Daddy? Can I see you snapping? Julia. Hey, excuse me. Would you like to snap for this? I know you love reading books. Can you snap a little bit more? Look, honey. Julia, hello. You multitask. You want to try it one more time, honey? Julia, snap. Oh, thank you for the book. Here. Hey. Did you come and get the book? What a good reader.